What's up, YouTube? My name is Bradley Mitchell. I'm a dog trainer and wildlife handler. So what I'm going to talk to you today is about raccoons and just animals in general. When you're working with any animal, you need to respect the nature in them. Dogs also need exercise. Discipline, and then affection, in that order. But yeah, trapping, you got to be careful because you can get bit by coyotes, possums, you can get bit by raccoons, so you just need to be careful. Dudley, come on with him. Up, sit. This is my pal Dudley. He is my sidekick. He helps me with the raccoons. He helps me with the possums. He helps me with everything. Say hey to YouTube. He says hi. Shh. He helps me with everything. Shh. He helps me keep the possums away. He helps me with the raccoons. He actually saved my life today. I almost got bit by a raccoon, and he jumped on it, and he actually saved my life from getting bit by the raccoons. I'm very grateful that he did that. And it's natural for a dog to protect us, in a good way. Now, it's not natural for them to be aggressive towards just everybody that comes near you, but to protect you, if somebody's going to hurt you or shoot you, yes, they're attack and them to attack the person and protect you, but also if a coon bites or tries to bite you, for them to protect you, yeah, that's natural. That's natural. That's natural. Sorry if the video was kind of moving a little bit. I was moving the camera closer to me and my finger slipped. Yeah, but that's my dog. Up. Say hey to YouTube. This is my buddy. I'm submissive. But that's all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Just a safety tip. You trust and respect an animal, they'll trust and respect you back. And dogs, they're animal, dog, breed, name. Dogs need exercise, discipline, and then affection. In that order. Exercise, rules, boundaries, and limitations, and then affection. So they can be happy and balanced like this guy. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoy it. You'll see me again next time. Just Bradley Mitchell. Please subscribe this channel. I hope y'all enjoy it. But that's it for this video.